Announce the award for Best Actress. We would like to call on stage 2016 Cinemalaya Best Supporting Actor, Mr. Lou Veloso, and 2017 Cinemalaya Best Actress, Ms. Angeli Bayani. Presenting the award are Chris B. Miliado and Nicolo Marzano. The Best Actress awardee will receive a Balanghay Trophy.
Wedding dress.
Hey, Sir Lou.
Wilson, pag na-describe malalaman agad natin.
Ito po.
Okay. Cinemalaya Citation Full-Length Feature Film Best Performance of an Actress. For her spirited portrayal of public school teachers. Using light and gleams to protect the sanctity of the ballot.
And for her sensitive and very moving portrayal of a young woman navigating the cultural complexities of a foreign funeral while coming to terms with personal loss and family grief. The award for Best Performance of an Actress in a Lead Role is shared by
Marian Rivera, Paloma,
and Gabby Padilla from
Deserve naman. My best actress. Marian. Oh my God. Go Teacher Emmy.
Thank you po to Cinemalaya for giving Filipino filmmakers the platform to tell their stories every year. Thank you so much. I'd like to thank my director, Direk J. Thank you for your trust in me. Thank you so much, Direk. Direk Dan Villegas, pag tumawag ka sa akin, hindi talaga ako magno-no. And thank you so much. I'd like to share this award with the rest of the Konabasha team. Mentor, Project 8, the community of Rikuzen Takata, our Japanese crew and team. Thank you so much, my co-actor, Arisa Nakano, who is here with us tonight. And of course, I'd like to thank my family, my mother. This film is about the loss of a father, and I would like to share this with my own. He's the reason that I am here tonight. He has taught me to make believe and to tell stories. So I'd like to share this award with him. Wherever he is, I hope he sees this and I hope he is happy. Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Teacher Emmy na. Teacher Emmy.
Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Cinemalaya, marami pong salamat sa inyo. To my GMA family, thank you. Direk Kip, umpisa pa lang ng shooting natin, ramdam ko ang 100% na magtitiwala mo sa kakayaan ko kung paano ko i-arte si Teacher Emmy. So thank you, Direk Kip. Sa lahat ng staff and crew, sa loob ng 6 na shooting days, ramdam ko yung pag-aalala. Yes, sorry to say that. 6 shooting days. Ramdam ko yung pagmamahal, pag-aalala, paggabay nila sa akin na safe ako, na kahit anong bigat ng nararamdaman ko sa lahat ng eksena, never nila akong pinabayaan at mini-make sure nila na maayos akong uuwi kahit sugat-sugat ako. Thank you. Sa lahat ng mga cast na kasama ko dito, napakahuhusay ninyo. At syempre, di matatapos ang pasasalamat na to kung hindi dahil din sa asawa ko. Thank you, Dad. Kwento ko lang ng short. Sabi ko sa kanya, mahal, may offer sa akin sa Cinemalaya. Tatanggapin ko ba? Kakayanin ko ba? Sabi ng asawa ko, wala mang ilang minuto, sabi niya, kailangan mong gawin yan. Kailangan mo ipakita kung sino ka.
Yeah.
Salamat God sa pagtitiwala. At sa mga anak kong very excited tuwing uuwi ako kung anong nangyari sa balota shooting days ko. At yung bunso ko binibilang po yung sugat ko araw-araw tuwing uuwi ako. So salamat. Birthday ko po bukas. Salamat po sa napakagandang regalo. Taus-puso po ako nagpapasalamat. Thank you. Alam ko po mahaba na pero may last pa po. Sa lahat po ng Teacher Emmy na matapang na ginagawa ang lahat para protektahan ang boto ng sambayanan kahit pa ang sariling buhay ang malaan sa panganib. Teacher Emmy, para sa'yo to. Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
To announce the Special Jury Award for Short Film, please welcome 2022 Cinemalaya Best Film Awardee, Director Zig Dulay. Presenting the award are Cinemalaya Bente Juror Ahmed Mustafa Zama and Ms. Isa Valdez, Project Manager of Aperture Philippines.
Oo, papasok lang kami. Kasama na lang sa security. Pa-security na lang kami. Cinemalaya. Kasi baka kayo ako. Dito po yun, dito yun.
Relax lang, relax. Isa po. Mag-picture lang kami.
Sige lang po.
Thank you. Okay lang po, kayo muna po. Tapos na. Sorry guys, mabilis lang.
Guys, padaan lang po muna yung team namin. Team lang muna namin.
Diretso kami na. Ako
Kenneth!
Dali, tatas lang tayo.
Ilaw-ilaw kayo, Mark.
Hawakan mo tong bag ko. Akin na.
Guys, move back lang. Nahirapan kami mag-focus. Saglit lang talaga. Bigyan nyo kami ng
Atras,
time.
atras.
Ready? After ni Kenneth. Sige, sa akin, i-ano mo lang mo sa ilang. And go! Yes, so tight shot ko lang.
Dali, may kasunod to.
Lapit mo lang sa akin lang. And then go. And then, alis na. Sige, go.
Salamat po.
Congrats, Marian. Good birthday sa atin, Marian.
Muna kayo, mamaya na.
Okay na yun. Yabo na. Nakalaga.
Para sayang kasi doon. Go. Pero makulit nung ano. Ay, kami ulit isa pa. Walking lang.
Hiram kayo ng hiram.
Thank you. Sige, dito tayo. Dito lang. Beauty lang.
Mahiram po ulit.
Sorry na.
Harap talaga sa atin.
Yan.
Mas walang tao.
Yan.
Yes, thank you. Sarap mo pa. Todo mo na. Okay, looking there. And in 3, 1, wala pa. And go. Nice. And then walking lang, hawak yan. And okay.
Masoli na natin. Thank you.